Hi everyone, this is Brandon Wang from ICGPM team. So today I'm going to introduce our edge solution, ESRP CMS AK7710. So this is the agenda of the introduction today. So in the first section, I'm going to introduce what is ESRP CMS AK7710. ESRP CMS AK7710 is an edge solution-ready package for users who requires cloud management for their network. In this package, once AK7710 UCIAE manages switch and MMS software which can support up to 30 nodes. User can use this solution-ready package to set up their network and then manage or monitor it. In this slide, here is an example using ESRP CMS AK7710 for surveillance system on freeway by using two AK7710 to run Advantech Exchange for redundancy and using MMS software to monitor network and other network devices, including IP camera and level scanner. In the second section, I'm going to introduce how ESRP help our user. With ESRP CMS AK7710, user can use it as a starter kit to create their network and manage it. But how does it really help user on network? There are three main features of this ESRP. First of all, MMS can not only monitor AK7710 and other Advantech switches, but also network status and connected devices. The user can easily find their network, device connection status, traffic flow, alarms, performance, and events on MMS in real time. Secondly, there are so many factors that will impact your network and cause network downtime. AK7710 supports X-ring and Exchange to ensure network stability to prevent net connection drop. Last, MMS will also notify user immediately when it detects network issue, and user can analyze the issue with event log to deal with it as soon as possible. Last but not least, MMS is a cloud-based software that users can monitor and manage their network remotely over internet. All MMS features can be used remotely anywhere and anytime, so user is no longer required to connect to the local network to monitor the network or do the troubleshooting jobs. In the third section, I'm going to introduce the main features of our ESRP. There are 6 main features of ESRP CMS AK7710. They are fault tolerance, security pack, dashboard, central management, alarm event management, and remote control. We will see more details in the coming slides. Traditional network management software is based on standalone architecture. Like user needs to install package on every computer if they want to manage their network on multiple devices. It will affect network bandwidth when multiple users are using their MMS to manage the same network at the same time, because each device will ask network devices to send traffic back. They are also restricted to work under the same local area network where they are monitoring. ESRP CMS AK7710 is a web-based software which is based on server-client architecture that users only need to install MMS on one server PC in local network. And they can use their own devices like PC or tablet to monitor network on browser after connecting back to the server. Since only one server has access to the network, it barely impacts the network bandwidth. Plus, users can connect back to the MMS server over internet, so they can monitor their network anywhere rather than staying in the local network. It is much convenient when the network area is located in somewhere hard to reach. Once network is deployed, users can use MMS to discover and add network devices automatically or manually. Devices which support SNMP or ICMP can be discovered on MMS, and MMS will diagram the topology accordingly. This greatly reduces the time for users to diagram network topology rather than discover devices one by one. Once topology is generated automatically, users can easily find their network status on topology view with dynamic and visual indicators for both physical or logical connection. Each connection status will have different color for users to identify easily. Events and alarms will also be shown beside the switch and network devices to notify users. If you have more than one Advantech switch in your network and you want to see them on map, when you have a large network scope, you can set up the location of each switch on MMS and show them on Google Map or third-party free offline map. Monitoring your network and network device is also important. Information like Ethernet traffic, device CPU memory rate, network efficiency, resource observer including CPU memory, virtual memory usage rate, and device temperature can be detected by MMS. The data can be filtered into certain categories, and MMS will visualize the data into graphics. MMS can also collect all events and information of device status, polar rate, fail rate, alarm status, and in-out traffic from your network and generate them into live and historical view. There are three main sectors of the dashboard. They are surveillance, alarm, and device status. In surveillance dashboard, you can monitor and check the device polling fail rate with a certain time. In alarm status dashboard, it summarizes the alarms of your network by critical, major, and minor situation. Device status dashboard, you can find a statistic of all events by pie chart. They are also subdivided into statistics of different devices and platforms for users to understand the status further. The information is extremely useful for manager team or network engineer to understand their overall network situation. They can analyze the data to improve network performance or find the issue in advance. There are various factors cause network downtime, including fault in network device, link failure, power outage, or security attacks. Here are how ESRP CMS AK7710 helps you deal with network downtime. Firstly, AK7710 managed switch utilize X-ring technology to minimize downtime, offering redundant ring recovery with the fastest recovery time within 20 milliseconds to protect your network from disconnection or packet drop. Secondly, once faults are detected, MMS will determine issue level and send messages to user effectively by SMS, email, or chat, so user can be notified and deal with the issue before it is too late. Third, users can use MMS event log and alarm playback function to analyze and find out root cause. The playback function is an easy-to-use tool to help you check historical event of each device on topology view, so you can check and analyze the failure. MMS can also help you maintain your AK7710 and Advantech switches more than just managing them. Firstly, you can use MMS to deploy configuration and firmware of AKY7710 remotely to reduce deployment or updating time. Secondly, you can create an ADV lens across multiple switches on MMS topology view with a few mouse clicks. Third, you can back up and restore AKY7710 and other Advantech switches configuration for troubleshooting or bulk deployment. Last, you can compare current switch configuration with backup configuration to check if the setting has been modified unaware. You can also set auto-compare within certain period to protect your switch. Now, in the last section, we are going to introduce the hardware spec. So here's the hardware spec of AKY7710 for your reference. It has 8 GHz copper ports and 2 RJ45 SFP combo ports. It's designed to work under wide temperature, from minus 40 to 75 degrees centigrade, with dual 24 to 48 VDC power input. It also has EN 50121-4 specification for railway application. An MMS for ESRP, same as AKY7710, can support up to 30 network nodes. So here's the MMS server system requirement. For MMS client device, you don't need to install any additional package to use MMS. Just need to open your browser and connect to your MMS server. So thank you for your listening, and feel free to contact us if you have any question. Thank you.